Hi, this is my tutorial on making wargaming scenery and terrain, working with foam. I'll show you some of the materials, the tools, and the techniques that I know of and see if this can help you. I'll just show you a couple of pieces that I'm currently working on, or WIP, work in progress. And these are a few pieces. I got a couple of AT-43 guys set up, and these are a couple of pieces that I'm working on right now. So I'll show you the front and then I'll show you the back. Bombed out ruins. And here are the backs of the same pieces. Here's some other pieces. This is yellow polystyrene foam on a particle board type material. And I have some foam that has made this piece, the white foam there. I'll explain more about that. And here's our last little piece that I'm working on. Bit of a tower thing going on there. So some of the tools that come in real handy, obviously, for working with foam. If you've never worked with foam before, some good things to have is I have a metal ruler for measuring tape. I got a hacksaw blade that I've actually wrapped in tape to use as a handle. So that comes in very handy while to protect your hands. Then I have a large saw for doing my big rough cuts down to size. Once I get my pieces cut down, then I like to use, this is a keyhole drywall saw. This is actually a drywall hatchet, and I will just like to beat up the foam sometimes to give different effects. Our exacto knife, I like this one. This is a heavy duty one. It's made by Olfa, and it's got this little knob on it. You can extend the blade out, so if you have to do really deep cuts, what have you. It's a heavier, thicker metal blade, so it's very handy. Pencil, felt, always handy. Also, I like to use a nail for digging and gouging in the foam, making small holes, like bullet holes, that type of thing. And then for more detail work, I got a drywall sanding sponge. And you can find this at your hardware store. It's very soft, and this way it can actually curl and contour in to different recesses or what have you. It's got a sharp point on this side with an angle, and this is great to have for smoothing or to giving, if you're working a lot on round things or you need something really flat. It's got a coarse side, and then it's got a fine side for sanding as well.